In this video, I'll detail how to install VPN and use VPN on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you basically want to turn on VPN to start using it, just click on that. Then you should see VPN on. And if you go to my iPhone settings like this, then you should see my VPN turned on. So here in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to install VPN on iPhone and how you can use VPN on iPhone. Basically, you can install any VPN on your iPhone, but it is advisable to install VPN that cannot leak your search history or privacy without your permission. So here, I am not going to use a free VPN. Rather, I'll use a paid VPN, and you can do this on any type of VPN that you are using. It doesn't matter whether you're using iVersi VPN, ExpressVPN, or even NordVPN. It works on all VPNs. So if you're done with this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, when you want to install VPN on your iPhone, you can add the details of the VPN to add it manually. You can also automate the process to add it automatically. Now, to add VPN on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, just scroll down here and click on General. Once you selected General, just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Then locate and click on VPN and Device Management. Then you should see VPN. Click on VPN. Once you click on that, tap Add VPN Configurations. And here, this is where you can add your VPN configuration and choose the VPN type. We have IKEv2, IPsec, and L2TP. Then you want to choose your VPN type, description, server, remote, and local ID, as well as your username and password. You can also turn on proxy manually or automate the proxy. However, the easiest way to set up VPN on iPhone is to download the VPN from the App Store. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead and go to the iPhone App Store. Just search for App Store. Then, once the App Store application opens, click on the Spotlight search at the bottom right. And here you want to search for the name of the VPN you want to use on your iPhone. So here I'm going to download the iVersi VPN. Then, once you have it, this is the iVersi VPN. Then tap on it to download and install it on your iPhone. Then you should see the VPN downloading. Once the VPN is downloaded, then tap the open button. Now, this is what you're going to see. You'll be prompted to tap to connect. The interface difference and depends on type of VPN you want to use. So in this case, just go ahead and tap connect. Then you should see receiving data. Here you'll be prompted to subscribe and you can start a free trial. In this case, if you're already a user, just come here and click on login. Then log into your iVersi VPN account. So I'm just going to go ahead now and type in my login details. Now, once you've typed in your login details, go ahead on the login button. Then the VPN will try to retrieve your data if the password and email are correct. Otherwise, just need to click on forget password. Then you see that, tap to connect again. Then you should see connecting. Now you should see a pop that says iVersi would like to add VPN configuration. So if you are using any other VPN, then you should see the name of the VPN that is saying it's ready to add the configuration to your iPhone. Then go ahead and click on allow. Then this is going to ask you to type in your iPhone passcode. Then type in your iPhone passcode. There you go, hang on. Then you should see the VPN connected. Now, to confirm the VPN configuration has been added to your iPhone, just go back to your iPhone settings. And on settings page, I want to scroll down. Click on General. Then scroll down until you get to VPN and Device Management. Click on that. Then you should see the VPN added, and here you can see connected. Click on VPN. Then this is the name of the VPN. Click on this information icon. Then these are the VPN details that was added to your iPhone. So when next you want to use the VPN on your iPhone, all you just need to do is simple. You can either come to the control center of your iPhone, then click on the connectivity button if you're using iOS 18, and then you should see VPN here. Turn on the VPN, and that is going to turn on the VPN on your iPhone. Now, if you don't want to use the VPN this way, you can also use the VPN on your iPhone by going to your iPhone settings. Then on the settings page, you no longer need to go to the general page. Just locate VPN here and turn this on. Then you should see connecting. Then this is going to connect to the VPN. However, if you want to change where you're connected to on the VPN or any VPN you added to your iPhone, just go to your app library or the home screen and then open the VPN. Hit the back button. Make sure you click on this automatic connection here, then select where you want to connect to on the VPN. So if you want to connect the VPN to a US VPN IP address, click on US. You see that? The VPN will connect to the server. You see that? So once connected, you should see check connected, and we are connected to the US IP address. To confirm that you are connected to the USA IP address, just open a browser on your iPhone, and here you want to search for what is my IP address. Just write it together. What is my IP address? Then click on the first search result. Once you click on that, wait for this page to load. That is what is my IP address. Then the IPv4, IPv6, just scroll down. And you can see the city is New York City, region is New York, and the country is United States. So that is to show you your IP address is not connected to the United States. So that's how you can install VPN on iPhone and how to easily use VPN on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.